Any Kenyan be shed on issue politics.
Abarai kurwa sorogongo ruwa Gusii nigo bono baborigwe komenta chinguru abanyangongo ase chigosoli chamamnyoko elinde kwene kibuna abasaye bali babuate ebyegwa byokominyoka ngosirwa bale nabo igo kwegenderera okwana no rikyo monene bwekyombe gyo kwinyora egekoro gose culture Gusii Culture and Development Council nigo abuabwate egeikaro ase basingerete obuya bwa maminyoko ase baganiriye abanyangongo kwinyurwa naboigo abantu gutumika ebyegwa byabo asoko ene kibuna ngo egenderere bale muri kito Brighton Makoli natalira chinsemecho nagotwaliganira oroboti rokubwatia
Rogongo rwa Gusii ni goromanyakante mono asoko nyanjuka asaba minyoki abange bari kumnyoka samatko amagega ekero yarokanamuna chigosoli echo nigo cherende maiga nigo bono ekyombe anene keriye korigeria mangana ye chigosoli ase county Kisii ya jakire meroberio yokwena kibina chigosoli ejingo kina chira sorongo rwa Gusii.
We formed this association so that we can come together as regions and see how best we can develop and bring the glory of artists in Gusii land.
Waokwana nigo banyarire bagoteba.
Forming this association, we have got a lot of challenges. Number one, we don't have finance of getting down to the grassroots and get the talents from there.
Waigo nigo banyarire bakobori abarai kurwa se county Kisii neri ya Nyamira wesoke na gusira chigosoli echo.
So it is our wish and our request for our government, especially the county governments. This is Nyamira County and Kisii County, our politicians and all wishes to come and support this association.
Korengana barabo ni gorgongo rwa Gusii rwabwata banyanjoki abaya kulende chigosoli echo cheranire inse.
In Gusii land we used to have very good athletes. You remember kina Nyantika Mayoro, you remember kina Naftali Tem, you remember Daniel Mwanza and the rest. That this time now we don't have those guys anymore, and that the sports have really gone down.
Osire angwenyi no moliki wekyombe kya Gusii Council Wedas onyonyarire gakobori buna bari barakuniyanchuka mbatakeire kobekwa asijinsemo ao erigosira chigosoli ase county ya Kisii hamo neri ya Nyamira.
Na ulisa serikali asa ya county, tuko na county mbili, Nyamira na Kisii. Ikiwezekana hawa veterans, hawa legends wawe posted kwa sub counties kama support ya tache vile mapalozi wanafanya.
Boigo ni wanyarire bagote abuna aba bari kuminyoka mbatakire kobekwa erigosira na onyene kere mekutano osekera abantu bwate mesangano
wakati provincial administration hata political leaders wakati wanakuwa na meetings zao mabarasa wakati wanafanya uko vichichini waite hawa watu waongee na wazazi, waongee na watoto ili wapatie mutisha ya kuona sports ni kitu ya maana.
Boigo Gusii ni ganyarire kagotogi abanyanjoki abubono baete Kenya esiko asamatko amagega.
Hawa ni watu ambao walileta furaha nyingi na sifa nyingi kwa nchi yetu ya Kenya, asa community yetu ya Kisii. Na langu ni kuwapongeza sana kwa vile walileta sifa.
Guriboteri getaseni Ndizi TV ilidariane Brighton Makori.